Okay, so this one starts on the Gloucester Road, the extension of a street I used to live on, and we're going to go left onto Cromwell Road. The lights are green, but what is this? This is a taxi driver who, on a green light, decides to pick somebody up. And, of course, the guy in the blood ambulance, or whatever you call the motorbike, understandably gets a bit angry because whilst taxi drivers do it quite a lot, I do get it. It is what's called in taxi driver world taking the mickey. But anyway, a discussion ensues. I hang back because you've got to let people just get on with their thing. But obviously I didn't know that behind me, Volvo man is getting angry, very angry, and you see there, he's not able to get in front, and so now he comes flying past. I'm doing the speed limit of this road right now, and he obviously sees fit to go past it, and then is he going to risk the life of a motorcyclist to try and squeeze in, or is he not? There's 3 lanes here. There's only one to go right up to Kensington. There are 2 other ones, and he tries to get in, and then when I beep him, he tries to brake check me, and then deliberately goes slow to try and make me get the red light. I mean, this guy is such a plum. It is not even... I have no words for it, but it gets better than this, because L17ZMY, we are going to put this into a checker for MOTs, insurance, etc. And guess what do we find? And we see that this vehicle is not insured. Nice. We also see that this vehicle is untaxed. And we also see that on the date of 30th of May that this happened, the MOT was due to expire, and he didn't look like somebody who was in a hurry to get to an MOT station and then left it 10 days without an MOT. So we have a car that basically was at the end of its MOT life, was untaxed and uninsured, dangerous driving, must get in front, and on top of it trying to brake check a Defender. I mean, this is criminal. This literally, in my eyes, is criminal, and it has to stop. And I don't understand why we have so much automatic number plate recognition in the UK, scanning so many things, and I get why they're there, and they're there for important things like terrorism, etc. But people like this can ruin people's lives by driving like this, and they're allowed to get away with it for days, weeks, months on end, and it has to stop. It just has to stop.